Hello everyone, na me again, that your sister. Yes, Dara for Dara Talk Show. Yes, this is another beautiful day for you and myself. Thank you for watching my video. But if not, this is your first time of watching Dara videos, what are you still waiting for? I beg my brother, my sister, join me on my YouTube channel called Dara Talk Show. Press that red button. I made a subscribe button, and don't forget to press the notification bell. Also, don't forget to drop your comments. Your comments is very important. I need to know your opinion. Thank you very much. And don't also forget to join me on my Facebook page. Yes, it is also called Dara Talk Show. Like and also follow. Drop your comments and help me share my videos. And as you do, may God Almighty continue to bless you. So for this video, I want to briefly about one of our actor in the Nollywood movie industry. Is called Yomi Fabiyi. Abeg, actor Yomi Fabiyi, I wan ask you, wetin Toyin Ajeyemi, I mean Toyin Abraham Mama Ere, wetin she do you? Because no be on this matter alone. E don tey wey you don dey sing this Toyin do you, Toyin vex you, Toyin vex you, Toyin do this, Toyin do that to you. But after you go come still end am say after Toyin don ask for forgiveness, she don plead and you don forgive her. But I dey tell you now, Yomi Fabiyi, you no just forgive Toyin Ayimaku at all. You no forgive this woman. Wetin you want for am again? If person do you bad and that person come realize and come back to you say im dey sorry for wetin e do, e don finish now. But every time wey anybody get one or two problem with Toyin Ayimaku in the industry, you go just look for a way to counter this woman. You go look for a way to go and join the opponent person. You go just support that person. Make dem for finish Toyin Ayimaku. Abeg, wetin dey happen? Wetin Toyin do you gogo wey be say you no fit forgive am? Wetin Toyin do you wey you no fit forgive am? And I know say people like you, every minute, every second, to dey ask for forgiveness from God, e no dey hard on her. But you wey you dey ask for forgiveness from God, make God forgive you all your sin. But you, e dey hard you to forgive your fellow human being. Abeg, this interview wey you granted na yawa. Abeg, man like you, your age me, I no know how old you be, but I know say you are not a kid. You dey feel am? This your interview na yawa, because all the thing wey you talk for that your interview, abeg, you want make we go kill Toyin for you? We no fit kill am because we are all human being, and Toyin also na human being like you. We can do and undo. Abeg, if your spirit no wan do something sometimes, your flesh fit do. We are there to offend one another, but ability to allow ourselves to let go of everything, na be the main thing. That is what they call maturity. Abeg, Mr. Fabiyi, Yomi Fabiyi, go and learn how to grow up. Grow up. There some things wey be say you no supposed to dey remember again. Person don offend you, things of no be 1 year, 2 years. Put it behind you now. Because the way wey you dey take talk about this Toyin matter, if you and Toyin una see una sef for one corner dark place like this, you fit kill this woman o. Wetin she do you? She kill your pikin? I wan ask you to Yomi Fabiyi, you get wife at all? You get wife for house? No, I no sure. Because no man of your age wey be say e go get wife for house, wey go dey behave like you dey behave now. Look at the way you dey talk. You come dey serious, come still dey cry join. Wetin be this now? You want to say for that movie industry, all wetin dey happen now, you want to say no man among all of una wey fit come out, both young and old, they just decided to hold their peace. They no wan support A, they no wan support B. And to me, I go say na so life suppose be. Because nothing wey get beginning wey no dey get end. Anyhow, the quarrel go still go, another thing go still come out. But if you go support A, you go support B, when the quarrel finish between both of them, na be say the enmity wey you don cause, the way that person don cause by choosing one person against the other, e go just dey there for life. You see, that is what they call maturity. Maturity na be the main thing. Abeg, e don do you, we no wan hear, we don tire to dey hear Toyin do you this, Toyin do you that. Go look for another thing. Abeg, go look for another thing do. If that movie wey you dey do, e no reach you do, look for another thing. At least every one of una now know say no money for industry again. Na business everybody dey do. You to go look for another money, go look for money, add business join. If you just get too much time like that wey you no know wetin you want can do. Wetin? Yomi Fabi, men no dey talk as you dey talk o. I go tell you, men no dey talk like that. Men wey go carry woman put for house, born pikin, raise dem. Dem no dey talk the way you dey talk. You too talk. Abeg you dey shock, you too dey shock okra. Wetin I talk sef? Me too, I like okra well well. I like ewedu and I like okra, but my mouth no dey run anyhow. But Yomi Fabi, abeg, for this your case, for this your interview, forget am, nothing dey there. Nothing. It's full of hatred. The hatred just cover your face, cover everything. You no fit see road again. You just hate Toyin and everything she stand for. Wetin that lady do you now? Wetin Mama Ire do you? Wetin she do you? And this one now you talk and say, no be say you and Lizzy and Anjorin, no be say una dey closer. And you talk and say the last time wey una see una just say hi. But this one now wey you don see say Lizzy dey get problem with Toyin Aimaku, you just come out, na so Toyin be. Toyin is the devil. Toyin dey kill. Toyin dey do this. Toyin dey do that. Abeg, men no dey talk like this. If Toyin tomorrow now, Toyin and Lizzy come settle their matter, where you wan put face? If na me be Toyin, if I see anybody dey bear Yomi Fabi, I go just run. I go borrow leg join. Abeg, Toyin Aimaku, Mama Ire, my little advice for you for this matter. You see, you yourself, you go take your hear wetin your fellow actor talk about you for interview. Yomi Fabi had the talk. If there's anything wey be say you know say you don true do this man, wey be say he refuse to forgive you, may you carry your mama join your mother-in-law and elderly people, or maybe the movie industry, maybe you carry like 7 people, may dem go meet you, may dem go help you beg am. Because if this Yomi Fabi now, the way they take rake, the vex for you, if he see person wey say he wan come kill you, Yomi Fabi go join o. He go join. Which kind woman be this now? Yomi Fabi, you get bad belle o. You get bad belle. You get bad belle. And if you no could go pray, make that bad belle just comot like this, it go lead you to something bad o. Now wow, so he come sef. Mama Ire, Toyin Abraham, come me and borrow you one thing. Yoruba dey talk one thing, I go talk am for Yoruba. They say Yoruba ni èèyàn tí wọ́n bá ń wò kò kí ń wòran. Toyin, I dey advise you. I wan make you take this word wey I wan talk now, put am for your left hand. I'm not here. I no dey here to condemn you or to advise you. I'm not in any position to advise anybody. Because all of us we dey learn. Me too, I dey learn from wetin dey happen to una. As una be movie actress, wey be say people dey look up to una. Why na? Yoruba ní ẹni tí wọ́n bá ń wò kò kí ń ṣe kíni, ó ń go ń wòran. Toyin, people dey look you. You are a mentor to many children, to many sisters, to many brothers. And plenty people dey look you, they dey watch you, they dey watch your footstep, wey be say they wan copy your footstep. If you get any kind bad character, or if there's anything wey be say you dey do before wey you get serious relationship or you born this pikin, my sister, I dey advise you, as you don born pikin now, get husband, get home, may you just just let them go, release them. No let all those kind character come your way again. Abeg, my sister, because go listen to wetin Yomi Fabi talk. Every story wey this man talk about you, wetin you dey do concerning even you and Mercy Aigbe, the last time wey you get problem with am. Abeg, if na true dem talk, I go advise you, my sister. Everybody time na different time. This word wey we dey so, na turn by turn. If e better for your friend today, follow and praise God. Follow and happy, because your own too go come very, very soon. Yes, if na true, you dey vex if people then they do something that they prosper, they suit your belle. Toyin, abeg, I dey say God beg you. I no talk say I agree or na true na so you be, but if e relate to ran, Yoruba ni Yoruba ló sọ pé oníkù báyìí òun ló mọ̀ọ́kà. If you get that kind, a little bit traces of wetin dem dey talk now concerning you, abeg go delete am. Go delete am. E go just tarnish your image. You see how many years and many sacrifice you don put to build this your image? You go just allow one stupid character or one thing like that take spoil everything wey you don suffer for. Toyin, you no wan understand say people wey dey do this kind job wey you dey do so, their mentor, they dey lamplight. Everybody eyes dey their neck. They follow you up and down. If you sleep, they won't see. If you shit, they won't see. take am easy my sister. You don born now, you don get husband. Abeg, please focus on your husband, your new home and your kid. Turn a new leaf, behave well, do good, and let every other person wey be say dem dey condemn you, dem go see say you don turn new leaf. Yes, I know say you are not as bad as dem dey talk, but I no dey live with you. Na wetin people dey talk outside about you, na im people go hear. You see, if this one come out say na Toyin, tomorrow another one come out say na Toyin, everybody na Toyin, na Toyin. Remember say you, Toyin Abraham, no be only you wan dey the industry, no be only you be the Yoruba actress wey dey dat movie industry. Many of dem dey there, both old and young, and your mates there. Abeg, take am easy, take a chill pen, relax. And to all the titans, me I go say I thank una as una dey support Toyin, but I wan beg all of una, make una no take una loyalty take destroy dis ladies career o. If una no take am easy now, if una no just take sheepy, una no just suffering pause wetin dey happen now, una go just spoil dis name, the brand wey Toyin Abraham she don made sacrifice for. I mean, please take it easy. All the titans, all the Toyin titans, make una calm down, make una relax, make una no dey quick dey vex, make una no dey quick attack anybody or any colleagues of Toyin like that anyhow. Make una dey take am easy, because one thing I wan tell una be say anybody wey una put for trouble or una attack like that, e go always bounce back on Toyin, and na Toyin name dem go dey mention everywhere. Una see this thing wey happen now, una see say na Toyin, everybody just dey rant up and down. Abeg, make una no put am for trouble. E good as una love am, e good make una still dey continue to love am like that, make una still continue to dey support am, make una still continue to dey show am the loyalty wey una dey show am. And I really bless God for una body, for wetin una dey do for am. Thank you all the titans. But my brother Yomi Fabiyi, I still come back to you. Abeg, e don do you. For this video, I wan tell you say make you go rest. For Toyin matter, whether for now, for this case, or another one wey go still happen later, make you go rest. Make dem no dey see your face every time wey Toyin dey get problem. E don dey enter another thing. E don dey turn to something else. Abi you dey obsessed with Toyin? I hear say one time you ask am out, she no gree. Na im dey vex you. But you talk am for your interview say na no be the thing wey dey vex you be that. Any other thing, you say na Toyin kill your mama. How Toyin go take kill your mama now? Toyin na winch. She get gun, she carry gun. Person fit kill person for this world if God has never said yes. Forget it. How you go dey talk that kind thing? See all the things wey you talk now for that your interview. You dey talk am, anybody wey no know Toyin before just hear your interview for the first time, they go just hate that lady o. They go just hate am for anything. E no good make you dey talk about your colleagues like that. Abeg, na only you be the only man for that movie industry, Yoruba movie industry. No be only you now. No be only you. Go and learn and pray for wisdom, knowledge, and understanding in everything. For this your behavior, e go hard you before you marry. That is if you never marry. But if you don marry, get wife for house, e go still hard you. E go still hard you, because you go dey get problem with your wife. You can't dey do like woman. Now woman dey talk anyhow like this. But if women can't dey even control their own tongue, their own character, you men, abeg, wetin your wife supposed to dey do wey be say you go dey caution and say you no want hear am, make she stop am. Na you as a man sef, the head of the house, the head of the family, come and come dey talk am. You think say this your interview wey you grant now, people go like you for it? Okay, they don dey count am for you now. May we wait now. Anything happen again apart from this issue between Lizzy and Toyin, any other problem happen, if we hear you talk pan, if you don't know how to hold your peace, travel comot for this country, or you no watch social media, wetin happen sef? Wetin happen? And come to think of it, you dey talk say Toyin person, you go dey blackmail person, destroy person like this, and you go think say the person go hear wetin you dey talk about am like this, e go come still dey closer to you. Anything wey I guess now I go take fight you. But for this my video, everybody know Dara for Dara Touch. She say she no dey follow anybody dey quarrel. I no quarrel you. As a brother, I can't borrow you sense. I can't talk to you, make you change your way. Abeg, for this talking side of you, e no good at all. Go heart movie, you do your movie, make you learn how to hold things. Learn how to dey absorb things. Yes, no be everything wey your eye see, Yomi Fabi, I dey tell you. No be everything wey your eye see like this na im your mouth go talk. E don too much, you too talk. Men no dey too talk like you dey talk. You too talk, e no good. And also for Lizzy Anjorin, Alaja, my dear sister, this one wey the way you come dey do now, the thing na e get as e be oh, my sister, no lie you. And na cause say your matter na im dey reign for Facebook fracas now. Hey, this way wey you carry your matter go, na be say you just dig your own grave. You go just finish your own life. Every secret things wey person no know about you, for this way you go carry your matter put now, everybody go know how you dey take shit, how your mama take born you. Till this very moment, all the man wey don climb you, everything wey you do, na Facebook fracas go help you bring out. And I'm sure say you don dey enjoy am, including one of your ex. If I were you, I go call anybody wey you carry your matter go give for this Facebook fracas. Make you go tell them, make them pause, make them stop. You no dey do again, because you no go fit finish am. You no go fit finish am. By the time all of them sit down on top your matter, hey, you go hear your own tori. You too, you go dey lis ten to her. You go dey be like say no be your matter, no be your tori. They go dey talk, because they go repackage your life for you. Now that kind thing you want. Now that kind thing you want. You don't forget say you get name to protect. Shebi you say you be Yadini. You supposed to be a good example. You go lay a good example for people where they come behind you and people where they look up to you. For Facebook fracas, you go enter, you go join. Hey, my sister, you don't dig your own grave, oh. But it's still not yet late, oh. Lizzy, Alaja Lizzy Anjorin, go quick, whoever where you carry your matter give for this Facebook fracas, make you go call the person, tell them, make them rest for this matter. You know they do again. It don't rest, the matter don't rest for courts. Shebi una don't carry the matter go court now. Make you still wait, make the court, make them take decision for this matter. But if not, the way you take care, carry this thing and table this matter now, they go turn around for you. They don't even turn around for you. And if care is not taken, the name where you don't build for yourself, how many years? Now this thing could just destroy am. I tell you, the earlier the better for you. I tell you, my sister. Toyin, èèyàn tó ń wò kò kí ń wòran. People they look you, oh. Many eyes they watch you now. And I dey beg you, my sister, no let anybody, any one of your colleagues, both women or men, come out say dem get problem with you again, oh. Because if anybody, you can't get problem again with any one of your colleagues, this matter, after this quarrel with Lizzy don't finish, my sister, you no go like her. Because it go come be like say people don't they praise you, they love you before, now so they will turn their back against you. Lord Shoshe, go and wash yourself. Go and learn how to take care of your husband, because husband house no be joke matter, oh. No be joke matter, oh. Now you carry small pikin for hand, now you go take care of. You don't get two pikin. You don't get pikin, two children. Now you get your husband and your kid. You dey feel am? Before you take care of your husband finish, take care of your pikin and your in-laws there, your friends there, your family there. You know you say you no get time. You no get time again. Marriage no be me. You dey pray, you wan marry. Are you ready? Are you ready? Because marriage no be those movie wey una dey act o. This one na real life matter wey be say you still do good sef. People, family people say they still dey condemn you. Abeg, any kind of behavior or any kind talk wey you go talk or anything wey you go do wey go make people dey condemn you, dey look you, dey watch you. Because as e dey now, everybody eyes dey on you. They dey watch your footstep. They dey watch wetin you wan talk. You dey understand am? Abeg, my sister, na beg I dey take beg you. E don do. Hold your peace. I mean, learn from people and learn from your past mistake as well. No do so say no go fight any yeye quarrel with any of your colleagues or outside the Nollywood industry wey be say they go just get opportunity to destroy this home wey God don give you. Nobody go nobody go pity you again. If you go get problem with this your home, nobody go pity you. You see say the husband wey God give you now, me I don't know your husband, but merely seeing him even in movies, I beg my sister, this guy dey very cool-headed. He go be that kind guy wey be say no dey like problem. Love him genuinely, love him pikin, that im daughter, love am, take am as your daughter, your first child. Show am love, take good care of both of them, and let the whole world see the beauty of God in you. Yes, my sister, that is my little advice for you. But my brother, Yomi Fabi, e don do you. I no know sef whether you be man or you be woman, because I no know. I no know wetin I wan talk for your matter. But wetin I go take round am up today, Yomi Fabi, go and learn how to forgive. If you dey pray, whether you be Muslim or you be Christian, if you dey pray anytime, dey ask for forgiveness from God, then you too learn how to let go of things. Person annoy you or vex you, e come ask for forgiveness. You say you don forgive am, then forget and move on. Na how many people you wan hold grudges against for the movie industry, even outside movie industry? Na be say if me too I annoy you now, you go begin dey vex. 20 years ago dey nonce am. Me I no know whether person I vex you. If I annoy person, you tell me say I annoy you, I go beg you now, I'm sorry. Since I talk say sorry, e don finish for my mind. I know say you don finish for your mind. But if you still dey after sorry, forgive me, you still dey nurse the feeling, you still dey vex dey go, then e remain you and God. You dey feel am? My heart is clean. Na im be say Toyin heart, e don dey clean. You just dey fight am unnecessarily. Since you use your mouth sef talk am say Toyin she don beg you, she ask for forgiveness. Then wetin you want again? Na im be say Toyin neck e dey very clean and im hand e dey very clear. So you, na only you wan dey fight. Toyin no fight you in any way. No dey look for anyone wey dey no dey quick dey fight people unnecessarily. No dey look for anybody wey wan quarrel with Toyin, dey join hand with am to dey finish am. Wetin you go gain? Yomi Fabi, if you bring your colleagues Toyin Aimaku, Abraham, Ajeyemi, you bring am down, you spoil a movie career, you destroy a life, you destroy a home, wetin you go gain? Wetin be your gain? You no go follow am happy now. Thank God say at least she get husband, she don marry, she get her own home, she get pikin. Person wey just born newly. Wetin make una go rest. If there's any other person for the industry wey be say e still dey nurse feeling say e no happy for this Toyin Aimaku breakthrough with the husband, the new house and the baby, abeg make una go look for another thing to do, because who Jah bless no man can curse. Anyway, I go round it up here. My people, may una no forget, so may una join me on my YouTube channel called Dara Talk Show. May una press that red button. Now the thing wey I need from una like my video. I thank una for una comment and everything, but I still need una for my channel now. May I for dey do my live video on YouTube. Thank you very much, because I know say you go there. Just run as you dey watch this video now. Go on my YouTube channel, Dara Talk Show. Just that Dara Talk Show. Press the red button, also the notification bell. Yes, also join me on my Facebook page, Dara Talk Show. Like and follow, drop your comments, help me share my video and invite more people. Thank you very much. Till next time I come on your way, I remain myself, Dara.